Today we're here for July 4th. So right now there's some games over there so we can play. Let me show you. Right behind me. So I'm here with Justin. Right here. He also lives here in Kenosha. Like I told you. Where's Noel? So we're gonna be playing over there with those like, you know, when at Six Flags when they have like some stuff that you can play over there. So we're gonna go over there. I can't. I can just do like one of those games back there. Just see which way are you gonna go first?
I'm going that way.
Right up there.
I'm going to here.
Okay, so we're playing here in the park. Just for a little bit. Yeah. Have fun now. This is where we landed for to see fireworks. Are you taking pictures? Oh my gosh, I need to fix my hand.
Yeah, I forgot my hat.
So we're just waiting for my cousin. See, he's just using the bathroom. He's for tag. Wherever he is. I don't know if he's out yet.
Oh, I can use the stick. Oh, so they took your going stick. It broke.
Where's my glowing stick? Ouch! Wait. Ow, stop. For real. Aye! Stop, for real. I'm not playing. Ow, stop! Stop, for real. Aye! Justin, for real. I'm hurting. Justin, I got you! I'll return later. I'm gonna beat him up. Oh, yeah. Aye! Really? Aye! So we give up too late. We're just sitting down here.
I never
And you better stop.
Never give up. You know that, right?
Yeah, kind of. Oh yeah, last time I had a haircut, look at what my mom did. She did this. I'm like, Mommy! I think it's when I was just like sitting there when my mom was cutting my hair. Then my baby sister came, and then pushed me a little. Then my mom messed up, cut my hair right here. So that's what happened. So I'm hiding it right here, where nobody sees. Well, someone already sees. So yeah, I'm really happy for the fireworks. Later we're gonna be going at those right behind me. We might go in a temple, right, Josie? But in the middle of the temple, it doesn't get scared. When you're like in the way back, you think like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall, I'm gonna fall. So yeah, we're not gonna be going in the back. We're gonna be like in the middle. He doesn't feel scared. So yeah. Oh yeah, you guys, if you guys want to know, we might see one of you guys here. If you guys like see one of our videos, because I seen some friends of mine here at Kenosha, and then Kenosha's like where is Wisconsin, where the Wisconsin cheese are. So yeah, we might gonna be some fans here, right? We're gonna see some fans of vlogs, checkers, some vlog friends, and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So today we're gonna just be talking, right? Okay, so Justin.
Yeah.
We're gonna talk about your favorite thing here. Your favorite thing here for July 4th. What is your favorite thing here?
Fireworks.
Not you. It's your name is Noel. No.
Yeah.
I mean, yes it is. I mean, your name is Justin. No, it is. No, it's not. Justin, what is your favorite thing here at Fireworks Day?
I like going to
Carnival?
I like my curly hair. And I like the fireworks because they look like my curly hair.
Really?
Not like him.
What did I just tell you about? Stop doing that.
Who's this? Who's it?
It's the Mios way. Cámete. Viene más. Dámele. Dame. And it's cherry.
No, it's not.
Let me try.
It's
This is beer. just drank beer. First time, yay.
It tastes awful.
It tastes okay. Should we tell them about the kid we saw? Okay, when we was walking here to stay for the spot, we saw a kid like drinking beer. We're like, oh my! Actually, his bottle was open. Their parents were
Like
like,
this.
that was impossible. P.S. He was doing
This
it right.
is impossible.
Their parents were like right near them when they was drinking beer. That's bad, you guys. Don't you ever drink beer. But that's kind of bad for you guys. Like someone like from your family members
I
like.
thought that was something like soda or juice, something like that. When I drink it up, this tastes awful.
We drank this, Mata.
Ma, you can talk it
Soda. And he kissed Betty in the hips.
Who's drinking that?
Justin! Yeah, Justin!
Come on, to the radio. I'm crazy because I'm drunk.
Why do you have to be so gross?
Because I got to do this.
Stop, Justin, for real. Yeah, we're the Green Bay's Packer over there. The Green Bay. Yeah, you guys saw that? The Green Bay. That's us. What are you doing?
Wait. Oh, shoot. You broke.
Oh! Really nice,
You
stop!
freaking broke my thing.
Wait, she's the one who has it. Hello. Here, Jimmy, give me one. Give me one.
He's also here.
Jimmy, stop! Let me just put this. Wait,
I
let me
feel
just cross
drunk.
it. I just put on my glowing necklace.
I put my glowing necklace. See?
Boom! We're grown! Wait,
My hair.
your mom's have it. My favorite thing is for here is the game.
Turn the radio. When is the fireworks?
Look at all these people here. They're like too old. Like those are like loads of people we were last year. There were like a few people. But now this time there's a lot. Mami, ¿tú sabes qué pasó con yo y eso Yossi?
Yo pensaba que eso era soda o algo.
¡Ay!
Ay, pero si de veras, ahorita que venga tu papá va a decir que yo me la tomé.
What? But let me tell you something, it tastes horrible.
Avienta los hielos ya, Luis, para el otro lado.
Come on.
Está peor, mejor habrá ido aquí.
I am putting my hands for this.
No están ahí.
Let's go over there. I don't want to be over here. We're
Okay.
playing tag.
Let's go to the playground.
Let's go.